This is Ian from Lee Media. I'm going to talk to you today about adding negative keywords to a campaign in Amazon advertising. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So basically what I want to do is I want to add these negative keywords. These are related to the book that I'm selling. I want to add them to a certain campaign. And it's this one right here, GDD SP Manual UK, January 2024. So I've had this campaign running for more than a year. Oh, sorry, they want to make sure that I'm not a robot. All right, I'll do that for you. BFKB. I'm really not a robot. Interestingly, it actually ran through Amazon Advertising UK. So anyways, back to the story. I need to add these keywords to the campaign. So I've just opened up the campaign, and here are the negative keywords. And you can see there's no negative keywords in here right now. So I want to add negative keywords right now. So I'm going to click the button that says Add Negative Keywords. And basically, I'm pasting them in. Now, you'll notice one other thing. It says negative exact or negative phrase. So negative exact means if anybody uses the keyword, for instance, the phrase, drive the book on Amazon UK, that means that my advertisement will not show up. Because I've basically told it, if anyone uses this term exactly, it shouldn't show up. However, I can also do it where I add it as a phrase. Now, the thing that gets tricky if you're using it as the phrase is it will widen the possibilities of terms that people in the UK might be using to search, and maybe it actually cancels out some good keywords. So be very careful about how you use the negative phrase example, but I'm just adding these as negative exact to this campaign. I'm going to click Save. And basically, all of these keywords are now negative in this particular campaign. And actually, I can paste the same keywords in other campaigns too. But that's basically how you do it. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it, follow me, and see you next time.